Welcome to our channel. Mastering airport navigation reduces stress and makes travel smoother. Step 1. Check in online and download your boarding pass to your phone. Step 2. Arrive with adequate time, typically 2 hours for domestic and 3 hours for international flights. Step 3. Have your documents ready before reaching security checkpoints. Step 4. Wear shoes that are easy to remove and avoid excessive jewelry for faster screening. Step 5. Pack your carry-on strategically with electronics and liquids easily accessible. Step 6. Join TSA pre-check or equivalent programs for expedited security in participating countries. Step 7. Know your gate location but check monitors regularly for changes. Step 8. Stay near your gate during boarding time and listen for announcements. Step 9. Use airport apps for real-time information about flights, gates, and amenities. Step 10. Keep snacks and an empty water bottle to fill after security. Step 11. Charge devices fully before travel and carry portable chargers. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.